create slow motion in ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create slow motion in ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is basically pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, open up ClipChamp. Now I've already opened up ClipChamp since it takes a while to load up. So once you have opened up, head over to the project. Then there you can tap on import media and import the video that you would like to add the slow motion to or create slow motion on. Then, once you have added the video or media, drag it to your timeline. Then, you can resize it here. I'll just resize it a bit here. So you can go ahead and see the video, right? Now select the part where you like to add the slow motion to. So here you can see the video. And here the horses are running, right? So I want to create a slow motion here on this spot. Select the part, exact part. Now make sure to select the exact part. You can zoom in. To zoom in, press Ctrl and then zoom in with your help of your buttons on your mouse or the roller on your mouse. Then select the part you would like to slow motion, right? Then you can either use split on your screen or you can press S simply. Then go ahead and again select the part where you like the slow motion to end. Here. And again split it. Then select the part that you want to add the slow motion to. And once you have selected the part on the timeline at the right hand side, you can see various options. You can see the speed, tap on speed and go ahead and reduce the speed as much slow as you want. So for instance, I want to make it very slow here. And then if I play the video, it must be here played in slow motion. Now make sure to not make it too slow as it won't be smooth. So you can set it to 0.5 and such or below 0.3 or 0.5 and such. So this is how you can create a slow motion on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.